So what is deepfakes? Deepfakes is a term that covers many things, all of which fall under machine learning powered face swapping. Deepfakes first appeared in 2017 on Reddit. This consisted of a post by a user called Deepfakes that contained Python scripts that allow people to experiment with machine learning powered face swapping, something which until this point was rarely used outside of academia. This first version was built off of Google's TensorFlow library, a collection of open source programs that aid in the creation of machine learning projects. This was quickly cloned in the form of a GitHub repository called Deepfakes Face Swap. This was maintained by the community and it allowed anyone with a basic understanding of the Python programming language and command line based execution to experiment with the software. This original repository led to the creation of deepfake clones, which essentially consisted of a graphical user interface over the original programs. Some of these clones include FakeApp and MyFakeApp, which are the programs I used in this project. Unfortunately, as this is the internet, the first thing this software was used for was face swapping celebrities into adult videos, which is now what most people associate the software with. However, the true potential of deepfakes is in the education it can provide and the many applications it could pave the way for. For example, it could allow actors to play roles in movies without ever being present on set. We've already seen examples of this in movies such as Rogue One, in which Peter Cushing was resurrected after his death through his role as Grand Moff Tarkin in the movie. This led to a lot of controversy from the public over the ethics behind such a feat. It could be used to educate the public about the dangers of fake media by demonstrating how easy it is to create videos that look quite real but are in fact falsified. Or even in more abstract applications, such as Dr. Morency, who said, soldiers suffering from post-traumatic stress disorder could eventually video conference with doctors using similar technology. An individual could face swap with a generic model without sacrificing the ability to convey his or her emotions. In theory, this would encourage people to get treatment who might otherwise be deterred by a perceived stigma, and the quality of their treatment wouldn't suffer due to a doctor being unable to read their facial cues. Or another example from Dr. Morency, which would be to use models in video interviews to remove gender or racial biases when hiring. In short, deepfakes is a very powerful and promising piece of software that has a lot to teach us about the potential application of machine learning in our everyday lives.